What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna unbox Woody. Woody from Woody's Roundup. So there's full string. Forky. Okay, so this is a replica. It's a Toy Story collection. So today we're gonna unbox this thing. It says Tops 45 braces. So let me just get the scissors and let's unbox this. Okay, got the scissors. Now we'll unbox it. Okay. Box out. How do you open this? It's hard. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to remove. I got it. Okay. Toy Story certificate. Ooh, boy. Okay, look at that. And there's Woody's hat. I also have another Woody here. And I need the scissors. Okay, wow. Oh, okay. I have nothing to say. Oh my goodness, this is. Hey, this is Woody. His hat is not yet nice, but we have Woody here. Different language. Wow, it's funny. But we have Woody here, so let's see what we can do. It's a different language, so we're gonna see how we can change it. Let's try it out. This different hat already. It works. Wow, it works. Let's try it on my own Woody. Yeah. Here. Okay, still talks nicely. And wow, it doesn't fit. But yeah, it's kind of really nice. So I have Buzz Lightyear here. Buzz Lightyear. Okay. And we have Bullseye and Jessie and Rex and Bo Peep. So this is so cool. Can we switch it? Okay, here's the voice box. I can see the voice box. So it's supposed to say in the box that you can switch it on and off. How do you the language? Where's the on and off? We've got more of this hard, but okay, I don't care. At least it talks. By the way, that's the only thing important. At least it talks. So let me just cover it up and. Ooh, yes. What? Wow. Let's do a comparison. Their head. This is the old and this is the new. Been in my family for 5 years. I mean 6. So let's do a comparison. Let's see the head. Ooh, goodness. Wow, it's epic, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It has really nice head sculpture look. And wow, the boots. And yeah, it's leather, not leather. Oh my goodness. As you can see in the old Woody, I kind of like the old Woody's hair a little bit. But yeah, as you can see, its color. Let's see how long. Okay, it does talk. So let's see. It's in a different language. Like, how can I switch it, dude? But this is a really good Woody. I love this Woody. I love this Woody a lot. Oh my goodness. I love this Woody a lot. Let's do a comparison on the holy. The belt looks much more cooler. Let's do a comparison. As you can see, the belt. You can see the belt right over there. And go to the new version. It's kind of like much more detailed a little bit. That's really nice. And the bandana. bandana looks really cool. So even this one. So Forky, what do you say? He's gonna be scared at night. And I have another hoodie, but this is walkie-talkie. So I'm so sorry. See the other toys in there? Wow, look at this. So their head looks pretty much same. This one has more like nice teeth, and this has a lot of teeth on it. So wow, this has got much more color. The badge, this is different, and this looks much more nicer. So let's see the boots this time. The boots is really nice. So for our wow, this is the new and this is the old. So it's kind of like this one's a little bit rubbery, and this one's plastic. So a little bit rubbery too. I don't know. And this has a little bit sharper and really nice detail. So the old one, it's kind of like goldish color. So that's really nice. And to the fingers, this is the old Woody. It's closed and then, and to the new Woody, it's open. So it's a lot of different. Yeah. So so the hat, yeah, the old Woody's hat. That's why I ordered a new hat because it's broken. So yeah, this hat is like rubber. It's really yeah. This one is it's hard, really hard. Ow, it's hard. This is a really good hat, and this Woody doesn't win this hat. So yes, and we have Rex, Bo Peep. So this is a really nice Woody. So let's see if this can fit on our Woody. Okay, it does fit. The old hat fits on the new Woody. So nice. I really, yeah. This is really nice because yeah, there's that good hair. Really nice. Yeah. Here's the Woody. I love this new Woody. It's like much more detailed than the old one. It's saying really new language. So wow, this Woody is mostly like his head. Can we just like do that thing? Okay, really nice. Now let's see if this Woody can fit. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, wow, it's barely fit. But kind of nice. This two hat. This one is harder. This one is super soft. So yeah, this Woody is my favorite Woody, and this one is. Both of them are my favorite, but this is the old one. My only problem is it doesn't say like the same on the movie when he's going to toy mode, and also it's kind of short. Can you hear that? Oh. You hear that? This is so cool. Scissors, they're away. And Forky DIY, I forgot to record, and I forgot to record. And as you can see, I love this Woody more, so let's get Woodies with their hats on. So, okay, sorry, Woody nuts, okay? Let's try out. Yeah, this is definitely need some adjustments. So, it's really hard for it, but that means this will really stay a lot. And this is epic. I could mod this. This speaks a different language. So let's get Woodies with their hats on. Okay, so these are the two Woodies. Really nice. I'm gonna do more videos with Ham going and see another new Forky. Yes, Bye, guys. Have fun.